Hello everyone. This is a follow-up of the Take the Leap bootcamp video to illustrate or to show you how to build that single web page that I've shown you in the last recording. Without much ado, let's go into my account. Okay. So to recap, this is the page that I'm showing you in the last video, which I've created that message and a short introduction of doing a vision, a goal for yourself. So what I did for myself is transforming from a IT professional to a website builder, agency founder, and I also make use of some of the cool features that Builderall has, like making this image of my wobble. Okay, let's go into the build up proper. Okay, this is the Builderall Office portal that you will see. It has been upgraded, and the look and feel has changed a lot since the previous one, especially for newbies, or should I say, especially for those who has been with Builderall for a while. You will see a big change in the UI. For the newbies, I think just get used to this portal itself. Okay, so let's go to builders, drag and drop pixel perfect, new website. So as I'm going to do it from scratch, I will choose blank page, right? Choose really blank, as in blank layout clean. So I click on edit. It will take a while to load, as there are millions of codes behind it. Okay, so as it's loaded, first thing you do is please save a copy. So I'm going to call it lib demo, lib-demo. Okay, so once you have saved it, I can actually start working on it already, right? So, okay, it's saved. So the first thing I'm going to do is, if you look back, I think I'm going to do something different, not exactly the same. That means I'll do a brand new message, right? So I'll give you from another angle. So let's say I'm a day job guy. So I want to do website building, for example. Okay, so what's the message? Yeah, but before that, some planning in play. The top, this piece is actually the header. So in this case, I'm not going to use too much of the header. So I'll just shrink it right to the top. Right. Next, I'm going to do the messages. Okay, just like something like this. Right. I'm going to choose the text. Okay. H1 text. Okay. You see here, this is actually the default text. So let's double click and then change the text itself. I'm going to say, go for it, right? want to center it, right? Go for it. But since I don't like this font style, I'll actually click on use a new style. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna wait for the things to be loaded. Okay, let's see. I'll choose. Let's see. Look at Commando. Whether it looks good. Okay, I'm gonna increase the font size. Go for it. Okay, put somewhere here. Maybe I'll enable the grid lines. Okay, grid lines, you press this button on the top. Oh, it's already there. Oh, ruler, I mean. Okay, so I'm going to put up the ruler. Go for it. Okay, what's the, yeah, I'm going to add in another text. That's H2. Okay, so with H2, I'm going to write so the first message was go for it, right? Go for it. So I'm going to say, even if you are, if you have no experience, right, in. Okay, so that's the message. Center it. Perhaps I will use a different color for them. So to change the color, you click on this icon, right? I'm gonna use my favorite blue again, but different tone of blue. Okay, right. I'm gonna go back to this message. I'm gonna bold it. Does it looks good? Let's try another font. What's this one? No, it doesn't look very good. Arial. Let's see, match. Okay, looks okay. It's okay. I'm gonna increase this font more. Let's say I go to 80, 96. Okay. Right, so that it looks fitting. Okay, next, if you see previously, I have a name here, right? A tag with the name. So this is actually under box and lines, right? So, okay, let's look at this. Personalize. If you scroll under personalize, you will see this kind of shapes and sizes. Okay, maybe this time around I'm going to use with a round border like this one. Right, I'll choose this one. I'll put it the size too big. Okay. Okay, before okay, maybe, and also, okay, change the color. So under appearance, click under colors, I'll use red. right? The same rate as I used in my previous. Okay. So before I adjust this further, I'm gonna add another text, H2. Highlight it again, and I'll type my name. Okay, and make some adjustment to the length. Okay, next I'll put it inside this box, right? You see, when my name is outside, it's actually to the bigger blue box which is on the page itself. Once I put it in, you see, it's highlighted as part of the red box itself. Okay, to make it stand out, I will change it to white, right? So that it stands out. And if you decided to make it, if you don't like this font, choose another font that you prefer, maybe Amber Bold. Okay, so if it goes out of position, you will need to adjust again, right? So let's fix it at 36. So once it's at 36, you can also further adjust the box itself. There. So because I put it my name in the box itself, and when you move the box, the red box, the name will actually follow it, right? So if you put it outside, see, it doesn't follow. Okay, let me find it back. Okay, put it back. Okay, here's the we've done this step. What's next? Right, I'm thinking of adjusting, but let's leave it around. So the next thing is my photo itself. Okay, in this case, we probably the first thing you thought is to put an image box right here, but I decided not to, because I'm going to, if you realize that I think the image box is squarish in color, in size. So because I also want to do some border onto it, just like what you saw in my last setup itself. Okay, you see there's actually borders around it. Okay, so how do I do that? I'm actually choosing under the box element. Let's take the square box. Right. So with the square box, let's expand it a little. With the square box, right click. Under appearance, and colors, under the colors, you actually see there's a choice between image and background color. Maybe for the background color, I put it transparent. Right. So once it's transparent, you will see only the green borders around it. Okay, once that is done, click on this inner background and choose an image to be put inside. Okay, it's loading. Come on, you can do it. Okay, so So here, I'm going to use the same image that I used previously. Okay, let's scroll down. Okay, so as you realize that after you've done some setup with it, you see that there's actually a gap. So you realize that the space may not be enough. That's very easy to settle. You click on this line, drag it down, right? You will actually have more space. Okay, so let's get this image into position. Right. So as you realize that I think the image is still squarish and with no border. Right. I'm going to make some changes to it. Click on appearance again. You see the border here. Click on border. So instead of hidden, you put as solid. Okay. And you increase the, notice as I increase the border size. Okay, maybe let me change it to another color for the border. Let's say it's blue. Okay. So again, notice that as I reduce and increase the border size, right, it's actually showing. So if I reduce it all the way, you see, the borders get thicker. So maybe we put it about, say, 8, right? That's the border size. Okay. So next, we look at the round border. We put it to 90, 90, 90 all around. Okay. So that you see that the borders get rounder. Okay. Then you will need to adjust if you want the border to be round, you need to adjust accordingly, right? But okay, here is a bit tricky. Why? Because of the image. So unless you blow up your image bigger and make certain adjustment, then you will get a round shape. Because I don't want the photo to be too small, so I will forego the round shape, but give it some curve to the corners. I think this look just nice. Okay, so I'll adjust the words a little bit further. Okay, I'll put it up, right? Okay, okay. So at this point of time, I think we already have done quite some changes, and we are good with the change. Let's do a save first, just in case. Yeah, just in case anything wrong with the internet, your internet connections, or even the browser, right? So that you will still have your whatever work you have done intact. Okay, let's do a little preview first. Okay, so this is the work done so far. Okay, let's do the other two components. Okay, let's pull my screen a little bit down. Okay, so if you look at the example that I've done in the previous video, there's still two other text box that I need to do. Okay, so how do we do that? And the thing is, because it has two different font, the from and the IT professional, it's actually two different sets of text. I'm going to group them together. So in order to do so, I need to create box. So I use this green box, expand it a little, put it on this side, right click, under appearance, color, under the background, I'll put it to transparent, click OK, right. To save time, no, okay, to do the text, yes. So I'll choose, yes, let's say you wanted this font, right, to be duplicated, and so that I use it for this side. I'm gonna change it. This time I'm say Deja. I'm gonna change it to blue color. Right. So that's Deja. And I'm gonna choose another font. Okay, I'm gonna choose a brand new font. Use H2. And I'm going to write day job. What's my day job? Retail worker. All right. Okay. Pull it down. You see that? Okay. I don't like this font, so I'm gonna change it to another style. Okay. I'm gonna reduce the size to 28. Okay, 28 looks good. I'm gonna adjust. Okay, in this case, try to put it spacing at center so that it's easier for you to adjust the positioning. So if need to, you just adjust the size. Yeah, I think these are as okay. So we've done the left side, the one message on the left side, right? So we need to do the other one on the right. So again, I think the message, you can be creative about it, right? And you write any kind of message that you desire. Okay, since it's going to be same format, same font size on the other side, I'm going to click on this. I'm going to duplicate it. Okay, click on this to duplicate, and I'm going to drag the whole box over to here, right? And instead of day job on this side, I'm going to write change the wording. How about site hustle? Okay, side hustle. Side hustle. So what are you going to side hustle? Okay, let's just use a little first. Okay, side hustle. Side hustle. What kind of side hustle are you gonna do? Go for it. Even you have side hustle. Website builder. Oh, right. Or website building consultant. Right. Right. Good. Maybe to make this more specific. Okay, jewelry retail worker, and to become a website building consultant. Cool. So there you are. Let's do another save. And let's do a quick preview. Okay, you see there's a gap. There's a different tone here. Okay, this is due to the header. Let's do a little adjustment here. Okay, let's say I'm going to pull down this header a little. I'm going to put up this, go for it as the header. Okay, so this alert will come out every time you shuffle elements between the main page and either the header or the footer. Just click yes, it's fine. Okay, I'm going to adjust this a little further. Okay, I'm going to keep that way. Adjust this. Okay, I'm actually trying to adjust the header. Okay, make it go up a little. Okay, so with this, I'm going to change the appearance just to double check on the appearance and make sure it's also white in color. Currently it's none. Put it to white. Under the colors, I put it to make sure it's pure white color. That way you will actually see it as one tone. I'll show you again later in the preview. Okay, so now we just need to adjust the page a little more. Okay. Right. Okay. Is it balanced? Okay. Looks like. Seems like. Okay, I will just a little bit more. don't get too close to it, so that you will not looks overlapping. Okay, right. Let's do a little more adjustment. Okay, save. Save is your best friend. Let's do a preview. Okay, now at least it looks more aligned. Okay, so what's missing? Okay, so I'm gonna add in a message. Oh yeah, we'll do the feature in a while. Okay, let's do the message first. So in order to do the message, I need to add in a banner. Okay, I'll just take a classic banner. Okay, don't worry, we'll see this. You just need some adjustment. Scroll all the way down. Yeah, do something wrong here. Okay, let's undo. Okay, what's going on? Okay, I think I did something wrong here. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's remove the banner. Okay, let's do something. Okay, instead of doing banner, maybe I'll do a box. Okay, remember just now we were having a message box. Okay, so I'll click on personalize. Let's find something. How about this, which looks like a message. Okay, pointing out. Right. Let's use this. Okay, so with this, let's adjust the size a little. Okay. So to align with the color scheme, I will do blue again. Should I try with a different tone of blue? Yeah. Okay. Cool. Okay. Gonna include sorry, not this tab. Include a text paragraph. All right. Okay. So what am I going to tap? Let's use a different style. Zero black. Okay. Let's type the text. Let's say disable the caps lock. Can I Had I know, had I know that there were such career, there were careers like this years back, I could have made money already. Okay, let's say we do this like this, years back. Okay. Okay. Change the different style. Increase the font size. 25. Yeah, 28. Let's adjust the box. I don't like it to be bold. Let's put it back to Arial. Okay. I think this looks nicer. Okay. So let's adjust a little more. Great. Okay, cool. Bring out the footer leader. Okay. Let's further adjust the looks. Okay, great. The message. I'm going to make it more into a two-liner rather than three-liner. So I'm going to stretch a bit. Make it slimmer. Okay, good. Let's save it again so that we will not waste our efforts. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do is the wobble effect. So how do you exactly do the wobble effect? Click back onto the image again and right click on the image under animation. Okay, so under animation, instead of the default none, you select wobble, right? Okay, animation mean wobble, and when should it occur? Okay, there's a few options. When the elements appear on page or when you click. So the one that I did was actually to wobble when the mouse is over the element. Click confirm. Save. Okay, to test it, click on preview. Yep, there you are. You actually have the page, the image on wobble effect. Okay, you could try the give it a test on the other animation options, so that you will see which one you like and to do it. Okay, so with this, I've actually completed the this page, right? Okay, preview actually shows you what the look at view is. Okay, I think the last steps you need to do is actually to publish it. So let's make sure you save it, okay, and go back to your Builderall main portal page. Let's refresh the thing again. Hope you still remember your what you saved the page as. So go back to under builders, drag and drop pixel perfect. This time is under my sites. So under my sites, you will see look for the page images created lead. Okay, in this case I created as lead demo, right? So what I'm gonna do is to publish it. Click on this globe, publish it. Okay. Once you publish it, this page is going to refresh itself. Okay, once it's refreshed, you will see that this globe has turned green. Right. Once it's turned green, go back to the title lead demo. Click on it. You will actually spin off the actual page itself. Done. Okay. So that's it. Yeah. I've just run through with you on this simple website and setting it up from scratch. Hope you like it. Hope you like it, and there are more things that I will share with you in the near future. So look out for my next video. Meantime, do like my channel, my YouTube channel, and let me know if you got any comments and feedback. Right. Hope you like my videos, and do look out for the next one. Okay. Thank you, and keep trying and take action. Right. Okay. Thank you.